Oh. No. It never gets old. Does sunsets ever get old? No. Do sunshine on your sack ever get old? Of course not. Does nature ever get old? This is how you charge up. This is how you recharge. Vitalize yourself. This is what you meant to be doing. So of course it's never gonna get old. Your programs love this shit. Your body loves this shit. This is how you regenerate, bro. Testing. 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 Does your mind like this? In Japan, they actually have this therapy method. Well, they put the depressed people just go in the forest, bro. Take a vacation and go in the forest for a little bit. And everybody comes out better, except those ones who go to the off yourself forest. There's that type of forest also in Japan. But how does your mind feel in the city when you're working? Depends on your work, obviously. You're doing that 9 to 5 in the city, and then you get weekend off, and you go somewhere more rural area. And you spend a couple days right here, where my ass is sitting right now. How does your mind feel? How does your body feel? Does your spirit, your soul, if you believe in that, like it? Every freaking cell in your body likes this. Even the ones that might not be real. Even those ones. Even the made-up ones. And if they are real, they like it even more. Little salmon Nutella in the tummy. A little sunrise. A little sunset. A little midday. Whichever point it is. But man, this sun rises, this is sunset. They hit different. It just feels so good. Less blue light, more red light. And it hits even better when that ass is on the ground and you got a little bit of that pink meat. You got a little bit of that salmon Nutella hitting your tummy at the same time when the sunshine hits the sack. Bye! Yeah. Bye.